installation assembly. First off, we'll start with the wall bracket. What we'll do, we'll get the electrics into it, then we'll go it onto the wall. The electrics, as we've shown on your infomercial, 2 magnetic chargers, a twin split lead. So we have a hole cut there to take this, and very, very simple 2 screws that you will find in this bag along with your tie clips and stickies. They're in there, very easy. So through the holes and basically attach. We'll attach the other bits in, so the stickies and the tie clips, we'll put them in later once we've got it on the wall. So for now, just leave it all bunched up like this, and we'll come back to it. Electrics in. Now we need to fix this to the wall. Over the years, this has had many things up. Power TV, these have been on up and down in the studio for years now. What we use, this is plasterboard. What we use these type of plugs. If you get in there to have a look at that, with this special tool for putting them in. So on plasterboard, use this. Anything else, breeze block, brick, concrete. Have a look what you need to fit. It's not that heavy. I think it's only 20 kgs altogether, so it's not too much. Obviously, these use a 8mm masonry drill. But Power TV, we've already done it, and we shall now get it on the wall. Hangers need rim buttons. So after we've done the wall bracket, let's put the rim buttons and the hangers. Right, you've seen these have come. I've unscrewed that. There's 2 washers. 2 washers. One for this side, one for the other side. 2 holes. The small one is for rim button extensions. That one that we've taken the screw out of is for that one. So we're on finger tight these. The production team have told me I need to use this Allen key so it looks more professional. They're right. So they move okay. What I would do with these, once they're on, spray a bit of WD-40 on them, and they glide. They really, really do glide. But for this, we'll do that later. Once we get to the showing you how to use them part, when we get them on the car, we'll put a bit of touch in. We'll go from there with that. But that's what you do with the hangers. You put them in there. So you've got 2. So 1 each. After the hangers, we do the heads. So same again. Rim buttons that came in the pack in the box. You have, we go this way. So there's little holes here. There's these tunnels in the heads. So washer one side, washer the other. Same again. Large hole on the rim buttons. Screw them up. Power TV. Next shot you'll see is them all done. Rim buttons are in. You don't want too much movement with them. That's about enough there so that you can see them. Not too much, not too little. Again, WD-40 on them and they will glide. Now we're going to get the hangers into the heads. So these are the hanger locks. You slide them in, pretty straightforward. We screw the handle wheels in. Very, very easily. Again, power of TV, both are now done. Now I've got the hanger locks in, they're in position. If you look down through them, You should be able to see them all the way through. There's holes at the bottom. So you've got 4 holes here, 2 on the hanger lock, 2 on the head, on the top of the head, and they should all be in sync so you can see through them. What we're going to do now, we're going to put the hanger into the head. Next part of the installation assembly, hangers into the heads. When you get the hangers, when you've unwrapped them, there is a little grub screw on here. Take it out. Easier if you just let the hanger stand up by itself. Bring the head to the hanger. As you can see, it goes this way. So all the rim buttons are facing that way, so they're all facing the same way. All the 4 holes are lined. And we're in. Again, bit of squirt of WD-40 on these, and it'll be like liquid, it flows. We put this little grub screw back in so they don't fall apart when this little grub screw stops it falling out. Right, very, very important. This grub screw goes to the outside, not the inside. If you put it in the inside, it's not going to go past this, and you're only going to get like a 14-inch wheel movement. So grub screw to the outside every time. So there we have one together head. Right, pretty important. We're coming to the end of 2024, coming into 2025. This video is pre-2025. Post-2025, these are not going to come calibrated. You're going to calibrate them yourselves. These ones, and we'll probably insert into this video to show you how to calibrate the new gauges, but these for now come calibrated straight to use out of the box. What we're going to do with this now in the process of the installation is we're going to put it up on the bracket to keep it out of the way. So up onto the bracket, close it together so it's out of the way. Draw up the hanger lock, that tightens it. Everything's in place, out of the way now, and we'll do the second one. Hangers, back plates, bracket, all on the wall, out of the way. Let's get to now do the other parts. We will do cover plates to cover up the rim buttons. So these are a cosmetic piece of the aligner to make it look a little bit better. What you find on top, there's some little 2 grub screws. Taking the 2 little grub screws out. These just fit on top. These just fit on top. Just look for the holes. Batten it down, just hand tight. There you go, in place. Rinse and repeat with the other one as well. Assembly of the clamp. It comes assembled, so no drama there. Just put it up out of the way. There we go. This Turnplates, they come assembled, ready to go. So no drama. Put them out of the way. Rear assemblies do not come assembled. Same again. This is a cross member. What we're doing with this, rim buttons, same as before, always the same as before. With the rim buttons, they mount this way, so that square and the rim buttons all face the same way. Again, if you've forgotten, the M8 screw thread on the rim button. 2 rim buttons per cross member, as with the other one. I won't bore you with going through it all again, but let's go through it all again. Large hole, washer, so it's tight, short movement. Second part of this, hand wheel hole in. Just get it so it's just so you can feel it coming through. Doesn't need to be tight. We call this a rear L. Rear L in, hand wheel tight, rear flag, screw on rear flag, comes through. Right, these are designed so they're going upside and downside. However, we've started, back by popular demand, is we've put the spirit levels back on top. So they are back to being handed. So through the hole, screw this screw back up so it nips it, just nips it, not too tight, otherwise you'll bend it. And it's in. And for putting away purposes, we turn it into a if you've unless you've got a better idea, don't at me. Just falls out like that one, and exactly the same with the other one. Power TV, next time you see me, all this will be done. Magic TV. I asked Santa for one and it turned up. So, and it goes, that's on, and that's how it looks on the wall. That is the finished article. Plug. So we plug it in the top. There you go, easy apply. And we found a plug socket, which we don't have one around here. And what we do now, second part of the video, we will show you how to use it. So if you come with me over to the MEV, I will show you how to use these alignment gauges. The final thing you do with these is basically put a WD-40, as I said, be on there, be on the rim buttons, make some, oh yeah, bit one on that one there. These are vinyl washers, these. They're a bit of WD-40 makes them glide really, really well. I mean, that is very good. Same with that. WWE, yeah, self. And into this bit here. Into the, you'll have to wipe it all off after. Yeah, I've got on my t-shirt already. Can't keep it off with. Into a bit into there. Wipe it all off after, and it makes it run beautifully. Makes it all go together very, very well. Well, thanks for watching. All together, assembled, installation on the wall, ready to go forward and show you how to use. I'm actually going to use this one though, because this is our new 2025-2026 colour. This is matte black with a red cover plate, new stickers, serial numbers on the back, a couple of little touches that we've changed over the last year or so, branded rear little end caps, things like that. This is obviously the hawk or the eagle with the wall mounted cabinet, but we're going to use this, so we'll move forward with this onto the MEV.